Hi, wanna know how to fix overheating problem on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, first thing that we are going to talk about is to not use fast chargers. If you have a problem with overheating, the first thing that you need to remove that's fast chargers. I understand that everyone wants to their phone being charged faster, but unfortunately the fast charging may be really heavy on the battery, which is causing the overheating. So, next step that we can do here is to close all of the recent open apps. So, all of the recent apps we can find if we will click on this square at the navigation bar. You can see it right here. And here click on this cross, which will close all of the applications at once. And this will free up some memory, because if memory is loaded a lot, your phone is lagging, it works slower, and the more memory free we have on our phone, then better it is. So, as a next step here, we would need to find a application on our phone, name of which is Cleaner. Here is it how it looks. It is a yellow trash bin. So we would need to click on it, and with the help of this application, we can clean up some cache, which also may causing a little part of the overheating. So here let's click clean up, and after this we have cleaned all of the cache on our phone. So let's move on to the next step, and this is just a basic rule: do not use your phone while charging, because charging is overall kind of hard process for the battery of your phone, which is heating a little bit, and if you will using your phone while charging, this may be a big problem. So better try to do something else. Next thing that we will do, that's to disable all of the non-necessary features. For example, if we will swipe down 2 times here on the quick settings, we can find a lot of interesting features. For example, we have enabled Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, then we can find quick share, which I'm not using at all. But all of these features are heavy on the battery, which is causing the overheating. So if you are not using some of the features, I don't tell you to turn them off all, but some of the features that you are not using. For example, the quick share, I'll just choose to disable it. And now as a next step, I'm not connected to any Bluetooth device, so I'll disable it too. And this is one of the steps that will help to reduce the overheating. So let's move on to the next step, which is update of the software. Because not only new update of software is giving you some new cool features or settings, but it also fixes the bugs that have been in the previous version. So let's together check for a software update. We can do it in the settings, in the tab which is named about phone. So let's click on it. And here, as you can see, we got this software version, which looks like this. And by clicking on it here, we can see that no need, you have the latest version of software. So this is it. Now let's move on to the next step. Next step that we can do, if you are wearing on your phone a phone case and you have noticed that your phone is currently overheated, take the phone case off and let your phone cool a little bit. You don't need to take the phone case at all forever, but sometimes when you can feel that your phone is really hot, just take off the phone case and let your phone for about half an hour to cool. And after this, you can put back the phone case and enjoy it. So next step that we have here is just a basic restart of our phone. We can restart our phone by clicking the power button and then volume up button combination at the same time. So if I'll click on these two buttons on our screen, will appear the power off menu. To reboot our phone, we would need to hold this white circle at the center with our finger and then pull it down until the reboot icon will become green. So let me just go back, and after a reboot, your phone will be fresh and it should stop overheating. But if none of these steps was useful for you and your phone is still overheating, this may be a problem that you have a virus on your phone, and viruses are always overheating your phone. There is a lot of different viruses, so I can't tell correctly which one is doing what, but I think you got it. So to delete the virus from our phone, the easiest way is to do a factory reset. But before you'll do a factory reset, don't forget to save all of the important files, because factory reset is deleting all of the user data from phone. So for example, photo, video, contacts, personal files and maybe some of the applications, just remember them so you can re-download them. So to do a factory reset, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named about phone. Here we would need to scroll down and open this tab named factory reset. Click on it. Here you can also see the list of items that will be deleted from this phone, and scroll down, and after click on this button, erase all data. It not only will erase all of the data but also erase the virus, so you can use your phone without any problems. That was it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.